right, we're here at the Servpro convention with Stephen Nelson, Servpro of
Ebensburg, Team Weaver.
Fantastic. So you were just telling me you've had your machine for how many years now?
About 2 years, I think.
Okay, tell me about that last job that you were doing.
So there was a fire at a large manufacturing plant where they manufactured these steel structures inside their plant. So they had thousands upon thousands of these aluminum parts, the nuts, the screws, that they all wanted them to be restored. So we took our unit on site. We had to work with what was there. So we had plastic tables, hoses set up for pre-rinse. The unit itself, the ultrasonic machine, was set up inside a trailer. So our workflow is from the tables outside, pre-rinse, brought everything in, dunked them through the trailer, cleaned them, and then took them out the side door of the trailer for the post-rinse.
And you said it was how much of a job? What was the dollar amount here?
It was $1 million job.
Fantastic.
And the owner of the facility, he was just blown away. The amount of money that he saved in his business, all these custom pieces that would have taken him 9 months to have replaced, we had to backdoor immediately. So we kept them in production during this loss too. So this was so instrumental to that business owner and his relationship with us. So it was just a huge win for us having
Fantastic.
it there. And just the ability to have it on site was
very good. Well, thank you so much for coming by and letting us know that. Really appreciate it.
No problem.